subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new smartphone under Realme 12 lineup in China called Realme 12x, with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 12x features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Realme 12x sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.1 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The thickness of the phone is measured at 7.9mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 12x has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. And it is currently available at a discount price as follows for a limited period of time. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 7th, in black jade and bluebird color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 12x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.